Hello guys, this is how you withdraw from your client portal. Alright, what you do here is you come here again, come to transfer and pay, and come to transfer fund. Once you are here, make a withdrawal. Okay, so choose bank wire. Alright, okay, and create a bank wire withdrawal sample. Okay, you can put Citi Bank Malaysia. Okay, then after that, you will choose the fund where will be deposit. Choose one. Bank, country Malaysia. Put in your bank account, confirm your bank account. You can actually search your CB bank here also. And basically after that you continue and key in the correspondent bank. The correspondent bank, we are using Citi, US 33. Alright, so once that's done, you just click continue and finish. That's all.